Oh yeah. I'm a French bulldog, short but proud. Little body, big bark, I stand out in the crowd. Walking down the street, head held high. People stop and smile when I pass by. I snore like thunder, sleep all day, but when it's dinner time, get out of my way. Got wrinkles, got charm, I don't need much, just food, love, and a belly touch. Care, I'm classy, funny, bit of a clown. I'll steal your snack, then stare you down. Ears up tall, tail nice and round. When I strut my stuff, I own this town. Life's too short for a rush or fight. I chill, I nap, I do it right. I'm a Frenchie king, don't need no crown. Just comfy couch and I'm holding it down. Yeah.
Teď mě můžeš podpořit a dej mi odběr.